Welcome back to another Bitcoin update, where we break down the latest market structure, sentiment, and possible future paths for the king of crypto. Whether you're a day trader, long-term investor, or someone just curious about what's happening with Bitcoin right now, you're in the right place. At the time of this recording, the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame shows very little movement. It has what we often call a consolidation phase. The market isn't in a breakout mode, and we're not witnessing any dramatic moves up or down. What we are in, though, is something just as significant: a correction. A period that has lasted roughly 3 weeks at this point. And here's the thing: corrections like these are often misunderstood. People expect fireworks, either huge pumps or massive dumps. But real market development, especially in a maturing asset like Bitcoin, often happens in these quieter phases. One of the biggest tells that we're in a correction phase isn't just in the charts. It's in the sentiment across platforms, YouTube comments, community forums, even Discord. There's been a noticeable drop in engagement. Fewer comments, fewer views, less hype. It's eerily quiet. We like to call that the B-wave chat. It's when people check out, get bored, and stop paying attention. And ironically, that's often when the market is preparing for its next major move. It's a recurring pattern, and we've seen it time and time again. While many traders rely solely on charts and indicators, we're in a unique position. Because we re-tapped into a thriving community, both public and private, we can also read the emotional pulse of the market. That adds an invaluable extra layer to our analysis. Let's zoom out a bit. While we are in a local corrective move, the overall trend is still bullish. It's crucial to recognize the difference between a short-term pullback and a long-term trend reversal. From the April 2024 low, the trend has been upward. From the August 2023 low, the trajectory remains upward. Even going back to the lows of 2022, we see a consistent higher high, higher low structure. Bitcoin's current price action, especially on the daily time frame, shows a clear consolidation phase rather than a breakout, indicating the market is in a corrective state that has persisted for the past 3 weeks. This correction is evident not just in chart patterns, but also in broader market sentiment. A notable drop in engagement across social platforms and community chats suggests that we're re-experiencing a classic B-wave lull, which often precedes major market moves. While the short-term local trend has shifted downward from the May high, the long-term trajectory remains firmly upward, supported by structural lows from April 2024, August 2023, and even as far back as the 2022 bottom. Using Elliott Wave analysis, it appears Bitcoin is completing an ABC correction pattern, with Wave A already done, Wave B playing out now as a corrective rally, and a potential Wave C decline still to come. Key support lies at $81,355, and price zones between $92,830 and $99,227 could act as targets for the current B. A rejection here could spark a deeper Wave C leg before the larger bullish trend resumes. Meanwhile, a historically strong RSI based by signal as seen in February and March may soon flash again, offering a potential pivot for smart accumulation. Despite some skepticism, discussing these signals before they emerge allows traders to plan effectively rather than react late. 2 Elliott Wave scenarios are in play: a white count showing an ending diagonal in the C, and a yellow count suggesting a deeper, slightly faster decline due to a longer initial Wave 1.